Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Primer, Chapter 4, Vowel Sound of I. Speak loudly. Thin, chin, tin, lip, zip, nib, fish, kite, ring, mill, pill, sit. Read aloud with vowel I. Fin, bin, tin, pin. Right, light, fight, night. Kick, lick, pick, wick. Bing, sing, king, wing. Learning skills. In, din, chin, tin, spin, skin, thin. Ip, tip, ship, clip, lip, drip, skip. It, sit, tit, skit, knit, lit, pit. Ill, drill, fill, gill, hill, kill, mill. It, hit, kid, lit, bid, did, mid. In, line, nine, fine, mine, wine, pine. Ice, rice, dice, nice, mice, price, twice. Let's do the exercise. A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. Jim went up to hill. There he kicked at tin. The tin fell in the pit. Jim went to the pit and hit the tin again. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. The girl has a clip in her hair. The milk is in the jug. Throw this can in the bin. The boy is wearing a tie. I hope you enjoy learning.